I don't even know what to do with myself with all this volume. Oh my. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a hair tutorial. I'll be transforming into a 90s supermodel. This is what we're trying to achieve. Big, voluminous hair. This is what we want. So let's go back to the 90s. I'm really digging this look. Even the eye makeup, which I did off camera, it's just this like warm, smoky eye. This is usually quite a bit of makeup for me, but it's really pretty. So let's get into it. So this is what we're working with. This is what happens when I don't do anything to my hair. I don't prep it for style. It's those days when I'm lazy or I don't know what to do to my hair. I kind of just leave it as is. It's very frizzy. In order to create that 90s supermodel bombshell hair, I need to activate my hair. I've noticed my hair won't cooperate with me if I don't wet it or at least get it a little damp. So yeah, this is all of my hair. It's a lot. Can you believe I cut 6 inches off just a few months ago? I feel like it all grew back, and I'm not sure how this hairstyle would look with my curtain bangs, so we'll see. First, let's wet my hair. It is not going to do what I want it to do unless I wet it. I don't know why, but my hair can be stubborn. It doesn't have to be soaking wet, you just want it damp. Because if it's soaking wet, it is going to take longer to do the whole entire process. So keep that in mind. And then I'm gonna go in the Crystal Detangling Tonic. I love this stuff. It is fragrance free. It adds some shine and it of course detangles my hair. Now that I look like a wet dog, let's go in with the Bond Smoother. This is by Olaplex. It's just a styling cream. It's just going to reduce the frizz. This is great if you have naturally frizzy hair. Highly recommend this. My boyfriend uses it and he has really curly hair and he's been really enjoying it. But he has to remember this is expensive, so he can't be just using it all day, every day. Now I'm going to section off my hair and prep it to dry. I'm going to do like a rough dry first. We're gonna start off with this side. I'm gonna go in with this first. It's by Revlon. I feel like everyone knows this by now and you at least know someone who has this. You can blow dry your hair really fast with this. It's so good, guys. So I like doing it on low because hot is way too hot. I don't know how anyone can use the high setting because it's so hot that it hurts. Now that my hair looks smooth, I'm gonna go in with the Amika thermal brush. This is by far my favorite hot tool. I love it so much. I've been using it for the last couple of years and it's been going strong. I wanna start off with the front pieces. So that includes my bangs. So everything right here. Make sure to brush it and it's nice and smooth. Usually I would be going forward, but for this hairstyle, I'm actually going to be going back like this. While this heats up, I'm going to be using barrels. So after this comes out, I'm going to put this on. These are Velcro, by the way. I got them on Amazon. I'll link them down below. I'm going to use the largest size and wrap it just like this because I really want a lot of volume right at the crown and then just pin it in place. Again, for this back piece, I'm going to be using the largest barrel. Now I'm going to be working on the sides. I'm going to be going horizontal. For this one, I went one size down. For this hairstyle, I think it's good to mix barrel sizes. Finally pinned up. I feel like this part takes the longest. Make sure to go slow and get all the pieces. You really want to make sure that it's smooth and you're not missing anything. I look crazy, but it's going to look good at the very end. There's a few of them that are missing these clips, which is okay. They're still staying in place. If you don't have everything that you need, it's okay. I actually ended up taking the ones up here and moved it over here. With the light hairspray, I'm just going to spray it all over. I like using a hairspray that's flexible and not crunchy. I will see you guys in a bit. Finally, let's take these out. I'm gonna start off with the sides. Just make sure you go gently. All right, one is out. Not too bad, very voluminous. Okay, let's do the other side. Now the top pieces. Now I want to use my fingers and kind of run it through. I want to break them up a little bit, but not that much. I'm actually going to flip my head. Just kind of give a little shake. Whoa. Oh my gosh, look at all this volume. Crazy. I don't even know what to do with myself with all this volume. Oh my gosh. I kind of wish I was going somewhere, you know? Something to show off this hair besides just this video. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. This is from Together Beauty. I'm not going to use that much. Keep that in mind. Do not use too much oil or it's going to weigh your hair down. So like 3 baby drops, and if you have fine hair, probably 1 drop is enough. In the images online, the supermodels, they don't really have a part. It's kind of just like brushed back. I feel like I look a little weird without a part. I don't even know where my bangs went. They somehow disappeared in all of this volume. Do a part, don't do a part. Do a part, don't do a part. If I do a part, it would probably be like a deep part. What if I try to do a middle part? I feel like my middle part makes it look more modern, more 2020 compared to the 90s. So I think this is how I would wear it current day. But if I was going back to the 90s, I would just do the kind of pulled back look. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. It was really fun transforming into a 90s supermodel. This and the makeup, it was just a lot of fun. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. I'll see you in another video. Bye!